freaking, I want to know how high this is. Okay. All right, let's go down. There's even like a cave thing that we got to go in. Yep, this way.
Whoa, it's so wet.
Uh-huh.
Are we going backwards or what?
Look at here. Look at that, Morgan. You see the waterfall?
We gotta walk behind it, see?
Do you still want to hold that map or no?
Why don't you let Daddy hold the map?
Yeah, just to, yeah.
Can we make it fair?
Make what fair?
How you get...
Well, you want me to get mud in my shoe to make it fair? What?
Yeah, because I only have it.
Life isn't fair all the time. You sound like a little communist. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it?
Are we behind it yet?
No, we're gonna see where we're gonna go behind it though. By the, it's really neat. We're gonna go under.
Can we swim there?
We're gonna go under the falls. Yeah, you can. We're not gonna do that, but this is the first time you've ever been to Silver Falls, right?
No.
Well, no, you've been. Okay, yeah, we came here when it was snowy, but first time you've seen the waterfall, huh?
No, yeah.
Oh, if I do that.
What if you fall in the waterfall?
Well, that probably wouldn't be the funnest thing in my life.
Probably
If
die.
Yeah, actually, I probably would. I'm looking at that rock. Oh, dude, this is sweet.
Oh,
Look at this. I got a duck. Holy crap! Katie, I don't know. Are you gonna be able to do this? You really can't hit her head on this stuff. Look at that.
Okay,
In the freaking cave here.
I'm not bumping my head. No. I don't want to go under here anymore.
Yes.
You love it. Oh, it's actually getting me wet. I'm not kidding.
Yep.
Family shot.
Here.
All of us.
Say cheese.
Cheese and crackers.
Morgan.
Cheese. Look how big this freaking thing. Yeah, the camera does not do this justice at all, huh?
Okay.
I mean, this is like massive. Me and Katie used to come to Silver Falls when we were kids. That'll be a cool shot.
I need to walk with Daddy. Gabe, can you?
Yep.
Because I don't want her to trip me up.
Yeah, look at no railing here. Although I think it would just hurt really bad. I mean, I don't know. Hello. I am. I almost wasn't okay though. If I would have fell. What, do you think that's funny? Would you have laughed if I would have fell a little bit?
No.
No. Cheese and crackers. Oh, we got a chipmunk?
Yeah, get your thing out.
Well, we're not going to catch it. Should I get your thing out like the Tupperware to catch us? Well, okay, we'll keep going. We'll see what all we can find. We'll find a bug. We'll find a bug. You don't think we're going to find a bug?
No.
We are. What do you want us to run? To jog? Me and Morgan just found a trail.
Go first.
And I gotta go first. You can do it. Are you gonna go under it? Nice. Okay. And we just saw the one falls, Morgan. The whole journey, so 10 falls, and it's like a little over 9 miles, right?
Dad.
This is the work.
Over there. What's up there?
That's a steep, dangerous trail. I just like did something to my hip. Yeah. What'd she call this? Oh, soda water. Sorry.
Chocolate muffin.
Morgan got a chocolate muffin and a grilled cheese.
I'm getting kind of hungry. Can I have one bite?
Well, let's have your grilled cheese first.
No, ma'am.
Kind of neat. Kind of a cool little place, huh?
Right here.
Oh, look at that. That's cool. Look at someone carved that. It's the falls that we just saw. I like this room too. This is cool, huh? With the... Oh yeah, an owl. Look at, they have all the falls.
Here we're like it's snowing.
Yes, I know. We will.